Welcome back to another Dyno Days video. Oh, I love a championship white FN2. Why is that, I hear you ask? Oh, it's because I've got one, if I hadn't mentioned it before. This one today has had our Thomas fit a Solid Fab manifold and exhaust system. It actually sounds really nice, even though there's a massive wait for one. It's got a bit of an induction kit, and we're going to tune it on the VTEC software of the stock ECU. So here we go. Let's put it through its paces. Let's get some tuning done. Let's see what we make. It's very hot and sweaty in here, but that is a Honda Civic Fn2 in championship white, and it's got quality oil in it. Now, if you need quality oil, you can head on over to worldoflubricant.co.uk, use the code DYNO at the checkout, save loads of money. It's a win. It's another really hot and sweaty day in this dyno cell. Let me tell you, it's a bit like a sauna that you didn't really fancy.
It is,
That's what it feels like.
Yeah, you're getting a free sauna that you didn't want.
Yeah, you didn't really want it.
No.
I'm incredibly sweaty. This car has finished on just shy of 215 brake horsepower. The modifications that it's got is it's got like a HKS induction kit with a different filter on the end of it. And now it's got a 4-to-1 manifold and solid fab. All solid fab stuff.
The exhaust should be able to cope with anything that it needs to throw at it, really.
The exhaust is actually pretty quiet.
It is pretty quiet. It's got some good boxes in there, though, but it has got a centre box, a back box, and a resonator towards the back. So that would obviously indicate
keep it quiet.
Keep it nice and quiet. I assume it's probably one of their super silent systems, to be fair. But a really nice, fancy bit of kit. So to be fair, I don't think the exhaust is the problem here. I think induction side is the problem. So a decent induction kit would unlock a bit of power. Certainly a decent induction kit and inlet manifold would get it where it needs to be, I think.
Yeah, wants a hybrid racing induction kit and a ported RRC,
Yes.
in my opinion.
Yes, that's what it wants.
But a beautiful Champ White, and like I said at the start of the video, I've got one of these.
But we made power.
I've got one of
But we
these.
made power everywhere, though, haven't we? So
I've got some power.
Yeah.
In mine, because I've
you've
got
got
one of these.
got no clutch though.
No, I haven't got a clutch. Don't remind me.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's Friday. I'm calling that home time.
Tom's off now for 2 weeks. 2 weeks is off. When do I get a 2 week fucking holiday?
Not allowed to swear on YouTube, so that's
Am I?
the no, you can.
Yeah.
If you want to. It's up to you, man.
Yeah.
You do you. You do you, I'll do me.
Yeah.
I won't talk about Jesus Christ.
So we all have 2 weeks off.
I won't talk about Jesus Christ, and you don't say sweary swear words.
Okay, fair enough.
Yes, let's have 2 weeks off, starting now.
Yeah, okay. See you later then.
Well, before we go, let's look at the graph.
Let's look at it.
Say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. Got some power in the mid-range there. We're finishing on 214 and a bit. I'm calling that 215. That's another one in the bag. Happy Friday, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? We will, indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynaday's Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynadays for their performance needs. Visit dynadaysperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.